Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Curious how to break into social media accounts and steal data? Want to know the hidden tricks used to exploit platforms like Facebook and Instagram? With Kali Linux, you hold the key to unlocking these secrets. This guide will take you step by step into the world of ethical hacking, showing you how cyber experts manipulate systems, all while helping you safeguard yourself. Ready to see how the digital world can be cracked wide open? Let's get started. Download Kali Linux from the official website. Install it on your computer, either by creating a bootable USB or using a virtual machine like VirtualBox or VMware. The virtual machine method is often easier for beginners. Once installed, open Kali Linux and make sure you have a solid internet connection. Learn networking basics, IP addresses, DNS ports. Without this knowledge, hacking will be confusing. Only hack systems you have permission to, or you could face serious legal trouble. Ethical hackers work with permission, often through bug bounty programs. Use tools like Nmap and ReconAng to gather information. Nmap for scanning the network. ReconAng for gathering open source intelligence, OSINT, on social media profiles. Use Social Engineer Toolkit, SET, available in Kali Linux, to craft phishing pages that mimic social media login pages. Customize fake login pages for Facebook, Instagram, etc. Send the crafted phishing email or link to the target and wait for their response. Use tools like Hydra or Medusa to attempt brute force attacks on social media login portals. For Hydra, bash copy code Hydra, L username, p/path/passwordlist.txtfacebook.com. Be aware that many platforms have protections like CAPTCHA to block these attempts. Look for known vulnerabilities in social media platforms using ExploitDB. Check for outdated APIs or weak authorization protocols that could be exploited. Use tools like Metasploit for automating exploitation if possible. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system. It is specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux comes pre-installed with a vast array of tools. These tools cater to various cybersecurity needs from reconnaissance to exploitation. Its open-source nature allows for customization and community contributions. This makes Kali Linux a dynamic and constantly evolving platform. Security enthusiasts and professionals use it to simulate real-world attacks. By doing so, they identify and address system vulnerabilities. Kali Linux offers a plethora of tools that can be used for social engineering attacks. Social engineering preys on human vulnerabilities rather than technical weaknesses. One such tool is C-Toolkit. C-Toolkit, or the Social Engineering Toolkit, provides a framework for crafting convincing phishing attacks. These attacks aim to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Another essential tool is Metasploit. Metasploit is a powerful framework for developing and executing exploits. In the context of social media hacking, Metasploit can be used to create malicious links or attachments. These can compromise a victim's device upon interaction. Hackers employ various techniques to infiltrate social media accounts. Phishing remains one of the most common methods. Hackers craft emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate sources. These messages often contain links that, when clicked, direct victims to fake login pages designed to steal credentials. Another technique is credential harvesting. Hackers use malicious software or scripts to collect usernames and passwords. This can be done through keylogging or by exploiting vulnerabilities in websites or browsers. Once compromised, these credentials grant access to social media accounts. Section 5. The Ethical Tightrope. The power of Kali Linux comes with great responsibility. Using its tools for unethical purposes, like hacking into someone's social media account without consent, is illegal and unethical. The potential consequences are severe, including hefty fines and imprisonment. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills for good. They help organizations identify and fix security flaws by simulating real-world attacks. This ethical hacking is crucial for strengthening cybersecurity defenses and protecting sensitive information. Section 6. Real-world repercussions. The consequences of social media hacking can be devastating. In 2020, a major Twitter hack compromised the accounts of high-profile individuals, including politicians and celebrities. The attackers used social engineering to gain access to Twitter's internal systems. This allowed them to spread a Bitcoin scam, defrauding unsuspecting users. In another incident, hackers targeted Facebook users with phishing scams. These scams promised access to exclusive content or features. By clicking on malicious links, victims unknowingly provided their login credentials, giving hackers control of their accounts. Section 7. The Guardians of Privacy. Protecting our digital lives requires a multifaceted approach. Strong, unique passwords are paramount. Employ a password manager if recalling numerous complex passwords becomes challenging. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds another layer of security, making it significantly harder for unauthorized access. Regularly update your devices and software. These updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities, mitigating the risk of exploitation. Exercise caution when clicking links or downloading attachments, especially from unknown sources. Section 8. Password security in the digital age. Creating strong and unique passwords is crucial in today's digital landscape. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's more important than ever to ensure your online accounts are protected. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This complexity makes it significantly harder for hackers to crack your password using brute force attacks. Avoid using common words or phrases easily guessable by hackers. Words like password or 123,456 inches are among the first to be tried by malicious actors. Each online account should have a unique password. This way, if one account is compromised, the others remain secure. Reusing the same password across multiple platforms puts all your accounts at risk if one is compromised. Hackers often use stolen credentials to try and access other accounts. Consider using a reputable password manager. These tools can generate and store complex passwords for you, making it easier to maintain strong security practices. Password managers store and encrypt your passwords, requiring you to remember only one master password. This not only simplifies your digital life, but also enhances your overall security by ensuring you use strong, unique passwords for every account. Section 9. Recognizing and preventing social engineering attacks. Social engineering is a tactic used by cybercriminals to manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. Social engineering attacks can be incredibly convincing. These attacks often come in the form of phishing emails, phone calls, or even text messages that appear to be from legitimate sources. Be wary of unsolicited messages, even if they appear to be from trusted sources. Always question the authenticity of unexpected communications, especially those asking for sensitive information. Verify requests for personal information or financial transactions through official channels. This means using contact information from official websites or documents, not from the message itself. Contact your bank directly if you receive a suspicious email claiming to be from them. Banks and other financial institutions will never ask for sensitive information through email. Be cautious of links or attachments in messages. Cybercriminals often use these to install malware or steal information. Hover your mouse over a link to see the actual URL before clicking. This can help you identify if the link is legitimate or if it leads to a malicious site. If something feels off, trust your instincts. It's better to be safe and take a moment to verify than to fall victim to a scam. Contact the supposed sender through a known legitimate channel to confirm the message's authenticity. This extra step can prevent you from becoming a victim of social engineering attacks. Section 10. Staying safe in the digital jungle. In the digital age, knowledge is our strongest defense. Stay informed about common hacking techniques and cybersecurity best practices. Numerous online resources and organizations provide valuable information on protecting yourself online. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Regularly update your security practices and adapt to new threats. By staying vigilant and informed, we can navigate the digital world more securely. Section 11. The future of cybersecurity. As technology advances, so too will the sophistication of cyber attacks. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being employed by both hackers and security professionals. This constant evolution demands a proactive approach to cybersecurity. The future of cybersecurity hinges on collaboration. Sharing information about threats and vulnerabilities is crucial for staying ahead of cybercriminals. By working together, we can create a safer and more secure digital world.